Examples of visually impaired working with quality and efficiency. Points to note. When computer users make mistakes, the errors can be seen visually. This is a disadvantage for the visually impaired. So the visually impaired have to be disciplined and follow methods to prevent error, check and recheck their work. Suprita, former visually impaired student of Enable India, working as team lead in IBM Daksh.
Today I'm going to take you through the technique of using screen reader to work around with Excel. So here there is an Excel in front of me.
First cell.
Suprita reading column titles.
Name. Cost CTRs. Band. Non-billable. Unallocated. Vacation. H1.
So this is the row of data. We have these many columns of data here. So first I'm going to tell you that when I go through this data, I see a lot of blanks on this data, wherein a sighted person can see these blanks and he can work on it accordingly.
Excel sheet shown with blank rows at 3, 4, 18, etc.
But when I go to copy and paste this data on another sheet, it will be very difficult for me to copy paste the entire data. So what do I do here is I will sort the data so that the entire data comes in one format, and then it becomes easy for me to copy and paste the data. So I'll do a little bit of sorting here so that the blanks gets eliminated over here. So
First cell.
first I'll select the entire data here.
Control Shift End. Control Shift End.
Computer screen shows the entire data selected.
So I'll check the selection.
Selected range A1, S no, J178, 75%.
So now that I know that I have selected the entire data, and the reason why I'm selecting the entire data is I shouldn't sort only one column, otherwise the other column's data will go here and there. So now I'm going to sort it. So
Alt D, S, sort dialog. My data range has sort by edit combo. S no, to set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value.
I have to sort it by S no. So that is the first column here, the serial number.
Shift tab, cancel button to Shift tab, OK, enter. Selected range A1, S no, J178, blank.
Excel sheet shown with no blank rows.
So all the blanks have come down.
First cell, 10,911, 50,630, A173, blank, A.
Suprita goes to the bottom of the list where the last data is and goes to the bottom of the Excel to check whether there are only blanks after row 173.
So
Blank,
at
A60.
one stretch, I'm getting the entire data here.
First cell,
So the data is sorted, and now I'm ready to do a copy and paste with this data. So what I do is I'll just copy this data and I'll paste it on another sheet where I have the headings here.
Sheet 2, S no, B1.
So I have S
Names,
no,
costs,
name.
band, billable, non-unallocated.
So everything is
First
here.
cell, blank, A1. Sheet 1, S no, A1. First cell, 10,000.
So I'll just copy this entire
Select.
data.
A2, 10,978, A173, 50,630.
Excel sheet shows values in the first column selected.
Copied selection, sheet 2, blank.
So I go to the sheet 2, and now the first thing in preventing the error is I need to know where I'm pasting the data, because that is the most important element when you're dealing with an Excel sheet. So now when I've copied the serial number, I'm on the sheet 2 where I'm supposed to paste the serial number. So I will just quickly go and check where is the serial number and where I need to paste the data.
S no, B1, blank, B2.
So this is the place where I need to paste the data. So I will just do a paste here.
Alt S, paste V. To change the selection, press up or down arrow, Alt plus V.
Paste special dialog box opened.
Enter. Selected range, B2, 10,978, B100.
Pasted data is shown on the screen.
So this is the place where I have pasted the data. So before pasting the data, just to confirm, what I'll do is I'll make some settings on my screen reader which will definitely read out for me when I need to work fast that which column I am on now. So I'll just go on the header and I'll make the settings there.
Name C1, S no, B1. JAWS, adjust JAWS TT, level 0. Title reading, open, 9 items, level 1. Define name column and row titles override dash off. Space, define name column and row titles override dash for all files, 1 of 9. Title reading detection dash read column titles 0. Space, title reading detection dash read row title, space, title reading detection dash read column titles 1, enter. Application settings saved, S no, B1, workbook 10,000, name, blanks.
So now it reads the column heading for me. So when I go to name, it says it's a name. So I'll
Sheet
just
1,
go back and I'll copy
first
the name
cell,
here.
S no, name, Balakrishnan, select B2.
I did a
Balakrishnan,
control shift down arrow and I copied the entire data.
copied, sheet 2.
Now I need to know where I'm standing. Am I standing below the name or I'm standing below the serial number to paste the data? So I just quickly do a left arrow and a right arrow to figure out where I am exactly.
S no, 10,000, name, blank, C2.
Focus is now on the cell below the column title name.
So I'm just under the name, so I'll just paste the data here.
Alt D S V, paste, enter. Selected range, C2, Balakrishnan Kekakalam.
Visually impaired trainer Suresh is with visually impaired student Kamal.
Sir, can you please look at the report?
Yeah, let me have a look.
Cable.
I'm not able to find your report, Kamal. Where
Yes,
is
sir.
your report?
Sir, here only I have saved it.
Yeah, can you show me the steps how you saved?
Yes, sir.
Alt F4, JAWS. Start menu, Internet, R, leaving menus, run dialog, W-I-N-O-O-R-D, enter. Document 2-Microsoft Word, print view, edit.
Kamal opens the Word file.
Control S, save as dialog, P, R, O, gram files F, J, E, C, T, space R, E, P, O, R, T, 1.
Kamal types the file name Project Report 1 in File Name Edit box.
Okay.
Shift tab, folder view, list view, not selected ABC company files, 1 of 7. To move to items, use the arrow keys, computer training, documents and settings, cable. Enter, folder view, list view, not selected cable, 1 of 1. To cable. Enter, cable.
Kamal shifts his focus to list view and opens Kamal folder. When the file name Kamal is selected in list view, Project Report 1 is overwritten by the word Kamal.
View, edit.
Yeah, Kamal. Now I understood the problem. Why you are not able to save properly.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Now I'll show you how you can save. Okay? I'm opening a Word document.
Windows R, run dialog, D, enter,
Okay.
desktop, folder view, list view, enable it.
Now a Word document is open in front of
Title
us.
is document 3.
Now whenever you're trying to save, okay? When you press Ctrl S,
Control S, save as
Fine.
dialog, file
when you
name.
Ctrl S, when you press Ctrl S, first you have to select the drive.
Okay.
Okay, by going to save in colon combo box.
Combo
I'm
box,
pressing tab to go to save in colon combo box. Okay.
Okay.
Tab, save as type colon com, tab, save button to activate, press space bar, tab, cancel button to activate, press
Again
space
pressing
bar,
tab.
save in colon combo box,
Okay.
cable to change,
From save in colon combo box,
local disk left parent C colon
I've
right
selected
parent.
C colon.
Yeah.
Once I select C colon from save in colon,
Yeah.
I'm pressing tab to go to folder view, list view.
Tab, my recent document tab, folder view, list view, not selected ABC.
Now I'm going to
files,
press
1 of
K to select Kamal. Okay.
K, cable,
Now I'm hitting enter here.
enter, folder
Okay.
view, list
Then
view, not tab,
then I'm
file
going to
name,
type the
colon, edit,
File
copy.
name.
file name.
Yeah.
Okay. You should not give the file name first, then select. First you have to select the drive, then
Yeah.
the folder, then we are going to give the file
File
name.
name.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the file name we have to give here?
Project report.
I'm typing project report here.
P R O J E C T space R E P O R T
Fine.
Yeah.
Now I can go
tab,
to
save button to
Save
activate,
button
press
and
space,
hit it.
enter, project report,
see.
print view,
You can check the
edit.
title now.
Title is Project Report dash Microsoft Word. Print
Yes, sir.
view.
Fine.
Yeah.
So why you are not able to save with the proper name? Because
Yeah.
first you have typed the name,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Then you went to your folder.
Yes,
You have
sir.
selected a file there.
Okay.
Okay. By using arrow keys, you have selected file and you hit enter.
Yeah.
So your file there, the Kamal file was replaced by your file what you are trying to save.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So always you have to first select the location, then type the file name.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then hit enter for saving.
Okay.
Ram Gopal, former visually impaired student of Enable India, working as medical transcriptionist at Ascentia.
As a medical transcriptionist, I have to concentrate on the accuracy in my document in terms of medical errors or medical formatting or spelling errors. So now I am going to copy one medicine name from the net to my document.
Alt tab.
Google search result page shown.
SIMVAST.
Ram Gopal selects the drug name.
Alt tab. Medical trend 1, 2. Sevastatin. IS. Sevastatin. Pasted from clipboard.
You can see that there is a formatting error, that is, there is a different format.
The entire text in the document is in black. The pasted drug name appears in blue color and a bigger font size.
So, being a visually challenged person, I cannot able to make out the formatting issues. So, to rectify this, that is to prevent this mistake, I use space special.
Undo. Sevastatin. Selected. Alt S. Leaving menus. Unformatted Unicode.
So, now you can able to see that it is in this same format.
Enter. Medical transcription. Print view. Edit. 1. A script 2. Sevastatin 20 mg per day. Home. S.
Now you can see that there is it is in the same format.
14 point Times New Roman. Normal style.
When you're going around with the data, you might have to listen to a lot of numbers like mobile numbers or the serial numbers. So how does it read? How does the screen reader reads it? Is like 9 billion something something something. It really becomes difficult for us to figure out. How do we actually know what is the number?
SO. 10,978.
So instead of reading it like 10,978, we can read it as 978. I'll just make a settings here which will help us to, just make out what is the number all about.
Run JAWS Manager dialog. List view adjust braille options. 1 of 18. SS. Settings center. Enter. No A1. Excel JAWS setting. Preview level ZT. Text processing closed. Text processing open. 2 items. Level 1. General closed. Number and date processing closed. Number and date processing open. 4 items. Level 2. Numeric date process. Number processing controlled by synthesizer. Space. Single digits. 2 of 4. Tab. Read only. Tab. OK button to activate. Press enter. Microsoft Excel. Secreta data.xls. Sheet 1.
So now I'm done with those settings. So I'll just go ahead and see how does the screen reader read the number for me.
10978 A2. No 10978.
So instead of reading 10,798, it reads for me 10798.
S10978 A2.
978. This is how with the screen readers we can be helped work better.
Key takeaways. Use screen reader keystrokes to work with efficiency. Double check the work after every action. Use screen reader configuration to help visually impaired see and work efficiently. When a visually impaired works with quality and efficiency, they will be well accepted at the workplace and will be able to work on par with others.